traced it, I like to cut it out just a little bit inside my tracing lines, because when you trace, the tracing is a little bit thick anyway. So we'll just slightly on or inside the tracing lines, and just cut that all the way around as neatly as you can. And if you don't like the shape of, you know, one of the tracings, you can reshape it while you're cutting it. Okay, now you want to cut, you'll decide how much of the arm or the wrist you really want to keep. I'm going to trim that off a bit. And be sure when you cut on the side that you do have enough of a fold here to, for the card to open and close. Okay, so now once you have your hands cut out, you want to decide what to put inside. Now I have a few choices here. We made it pretty pop-up heart, and you just you can make a pattern yourself. Just cut a heart, fold the paper in half, and cut the heart shape, and make two little tabs right on the widest part of the heart. You make two little tabs, and that would be our heart pattern. In this one, I used the heart pattern, but I cut out a little butterfly, and we made a multiple pop-up card. Now for this one, if I had left the heart pop-up the size that it was, it would come out past the hands, because this is a child's hand, it's very small. And so what you do for that is you fold it a little bit like this, and then you fold back like this until it's hidden.